People know I'm picky about quality and comfort, so when I got a knife for 20 bucks, they thought I was joking. My favorite knife up until now cost me $670, and I spent about $150 just on a sharpening stone. And that wasn't the only knife in my house. I've been gifted a few, and I've picked up some collectible ones while traveling in Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka. And I can't believe I'm saying this, but the $20 knife beat them all. Honestly, I think it's unfair to the Japanese knives, but it is what it is. Turns out, you don't have to be born in Japan to have Japanese-level quality. Matsato comes from old-school Japanese blade-making methods that have been around for centuries. Turns out, that trick actually comes from way back. Smiths in snowy Japan used to dunk their blades in freezing rivers after the forge. Some even said you could tell who knew the method just by how long their knives stayed sharp. Matsato didn't just copy it. They cranked it up with modern tech, freezing the blades way colder than any river ever could. Each knife gets ice-hardened at -148 degrees Fahrenheit, locking in a crazy strong edge that stays sharp for years. It's the kind of durability you can actually feel when you pick it up. You have no idea how much I enjoy that feeling of quality when I hold it in my hand. I honestly wouldn't have bought it if I hadn't seen that Matsato's blade is honed to an ultra-sharp 15-degree edge. The thing is, standard knives are sharpened at about 25 degrees, which makes them less precise and forces you to use more pressure when cutting. Many knives cause wrist strain and discomfort due to poor balance and awkward grip. Matsato's ergonomic beechwood handle is engineered for all-day comfort and precise control. They've reworked the blade's geometry, fine-tuned its weight balance, and challenged their blacksmiths to reach the very peak of craftsmanship. And I have no doubt about it, not every Japanese knife is this well thought out. And when you think about the fact it's now just $20, at first, I thought it was a scam. Then I found out Matsato was moving to a new warehouse, and this price would only last until the current batch sold out. After that, it's going back to $200. I'm sure that's going to happen fast. It looks premium. It is premium. Japanese level quality. A total game changer in the kitchen for 20 bucks. Honestly, what the f***? And the best part? If you don't love it, you can simply return it. With a 30-day guarantee, you've got nothing to lose. Try it out, see how it feels. And if it doesn't wow you, just send it back. No risk, just crazy sharp rewards. So if you're tired of flimsy knives that go dull in weeks, this is your sign. Don't settle for average. Right now they are 20 bucks, limited time. Then it's back to 200. Zero reasons not to grab one now.